Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to install extensions in VS Code in 2026. Extensions can add programming language support, formatting, debugging, themes, code assistance, and many other useful features to your editor. So let's get started. First, open VS Code and select the Extensions view from the activity bar. You'll see a search box where you can find extensions by name, programming language, framework, or feature. For example, if you're working with a particular programming language, you can search for an extension that provides syntax highlighting, code completion, or additional development tools. When you find an extension, select it and review the available information. Check the extension name, publisher, description, compatibility, and other details before installing it. If everything looks good, select the Install option. VS Code will download the extension and add it to your editor. The installation usually finishes quickly, although larger extensions may take a little longer. Some extensions work immediately, while others may ask you to reload VS Code. If you see a reload option, use it to activate the extension properly. After installation, check the extension settings if it requires additional configuration. Some tools may need you to select a formatter, runtime, interpreter, or project-specific option. You can also manage installed extensions from the same extensions view. This includes disabling extensions temporarily, updating them, or removing them completely. Try not to install every extension you find. Too many extensions can make your workspace harder to manage and may affect performance. Instead, choose tools that solve a real problem in your workflow. If an extension causes unexpected behavior, you can disable it temporarily and check whether the problem disappears. And that's how to install extensions in VS Code. With the right extensions, you can turn VS Code into a powerful environment that matches the languages and tools you use every day. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next